Hello viewers, it's Phil from Edward Lee's. Just picked up a beautiful car, arrived from Tokyo this morning. It's come back from the detailers. I'm now driving it. It's a Mazda RX-7 and it just runs beautiful. Absolutely seamless power. Runs beautiful. I'm going to stop in the shade here and make this video, show you over the car. This one's travelled just 47,000 Ks and it's an immaculate car. Have a look. Very, very pretty machine. This is a 99 model, Series 8, twin turbo of course. Beautiful set of rims on it. What brand is that? Reflection of efficiency. You can't get much more Japanese than that, can you? Deep dish 17s. Sticky rubber on there. Whoever's owned this car's really taken care of it. Bridgestone tyres. They look like they're a semi-slick design, so they'll get a bit sticky and a bit nice if you're going to go and track it or something like that. Beautiful painted calipers. Condition wise, you'd give it a 9.5 out of 10. It's pretty hard to fault it. I can't find any marks, dents or scratches on the vehicle anywhere. And the interior is lovely as well. It's a non-smoker's car. Looks good with the tints. Just a pretty car. Spot on to drive. The twin turbo system I reckon is terrific. There's no lag in the car whatsoever. It's a non-accident car. If you have a look here, all the scuff plates. Very, very nice. Not blemished. The door trims are lovely. Very original. Nice hidey hole there. If you have a look at the seats as well. There's no wear marks in those typical places where you might spot it. Steering wheel, lovely. Console. Very, very nice. What you'd expect of a very low kilometre car like this. Original shift knob. No wear and tear on it. Dual airbags of course on the Series 8. Hood lining beautiful. Sniff test, definitely a non-smoker's car. We'll pop the bonnet for you. Has been fitted with a turbo timer. Also a sign that it's been looked after. And under the bonnet it is absolutely stock as a rock. Original air boxes, radiator, intercooler. All original and nice. Have a look here, all original in the paintwork and the guards have not been off. Firewall, all nice and original. Original, structurally sound and lovely. Nice quiet motor. All the bonnet linings also lovely. If you like this vehicle, please give me a call. My name is Phil Lee from Edward Lee's Japanese Auto Centre. That's my ugly moke once again there. Our number is 029744 0539. We've been in business since 1971 and we deliver Australia wide. So if you're watching this video from another part of Australia, don't be shy to give us a call. For the price, either call us or Google us at Edward Lee's. You'll see our website. So just type in Edward Lee's into your Google browser and you'll get the site. Just click on cars in stock click on Mazda, and this will be amongst some other RX-7s for sale. This is one of the cheapest ones on the net, the way we're going to be marketing this vehicle, so give us a call. It's going for the right money and it's a lovely car. Thanks for watching this video.